My video guide will provide you with detailed instructions that will help you to get rid of the browser hijacker called searchitonpro.com. Searchitonpro.com is a browser hijacker, a special extension designed specifically for the Google Chrome browser. This is a fake search engine, and indeed it is a browser hijacker because it changes a lot of crucial browser settings without the user's permission. If you have found this searchitonpro.com to be the part of your Google Chrome browser, you should undertake the measures and get rid of it. Access the menu, go to More Tools, Extensions. Then if you see any third-party extensions here on the list, get rid of them. Now, to be convinced that your computer is free of any other possibly hidden infections, I recommend that you research the system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Please get Combo Cleaner on the page combocleaner.com. Download the software, install the program, and once it gets installed, start carefully examining the system. After you successfully download and install the software, it will be initially in the trial mode. In the trial mode, only Quick Scan option is available so far. You need to click on Start Scan button, and most likely the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is of course definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware, or other types of computer infections. The scanning duration by Combo Cleaner will take some time, of course. It depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the system is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And at the end of the scanning, you will then see the complete summary of all the threats which were revealed on the computer. Combo Cleaner also is provided with a special anti-ransomware feature which allows you to add one or several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. So you need to wait some time until the scanning has been successfully finalized. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats. You will also be able to know their exact locations on the computer. I recommend that you consider upgrading to premium license as the best solution to keep your computer always clean and free of any other threats.